Jai Swami Narayan. Welcome to Swami Narayan Bhakt channel. Today we are going to tell you about the importance and history of Chaturmas. So we are presenting a video of the history of Chaturmas.
Dasavataram refers to the 10 major incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu incarnates on earth from time to time to eradicate evil forces and to restore dharma. Vamana, the dwarf, is the 5th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. The Bhagavad Purana describes that Lord Vishnu descended as Vamana Avatara to restore power of Lord Indra over the heavens, which was taken by King Bali. The story of Lord Indra and King Bali is narrated below. Indra's army defeated Daityaraj Bali and his army of Asuras. Unable to accept his defeat, Daityaraj Bali approached Rishi Shukracharya and asked him to find ways to regain his powers. Shukracharya advised Bali to perform various yagnas and attain his powers back. But Bali readily agreed and performed various yagnas under the supervision of Rishi Shukracharya. Lord Indra was scared of Bali because he was regaining all his powers through yagnas. He approached Lord Vishnu and asked for help. Lord Indra says, "O mighty Lord, please help all of us from mighty Bali. He has gained all his powers back by performing various yagnas." Lord Vishnu says, "Don't worry, Indra. Everything will fall in place soon." After few days, Dev Mata Aditi gave birth to a baby boy. She named him Vamana. Everyone in the heaven knew that it was Lord Vishnu. Days passed by, and Vamana heard about Bali giving alms to the Brahmins. Now Lord Vishnu is in the form of Vamana, wanted to test Daityaraj Bali's devotion. One day, Vamana posed as a Brahmin and went to the spot where Shukracharya and Daityaraj Bali were performing yaga. Bali welcomed Brahmin boy and asked, "How can I help you, young Brahmin?" Vamana says, "I have heard a lot about you giving alms to Brahmins. I don't want wealth or luxuries. I just need the land that my 3 steps cover." All the people who were present were surprised to hear the request of little boy. The Asuras laughed at the boy, but the boy did not react to any of them. He just looked at Bali. Bali says, "Sure, I'll give you whatever you ask for. Go ahead and take 3 steps of land." No sooner did Daityaraj Bali tell that, to everyone's surprise, the young Brahmin boy started growing in size. Soon he was larger than planet Earth itself. He took a larger step and put it on earth to claim it and said, "Now the earth is mine." He took the large step and put it on heaven. And asked Daitraj Bali, "Earth and heaven are already mine. Now there is no place left. Where should I keep my third step?" Bali says, "As nothing else is left, you may keep your third step on my head." Hearing Bali's words, Lord Vishnu appeared in true form and said, "I bless you, Bali. From now on, you will rule Patal Lok forever." Thus, Bali went away to Patal Lok. Indra and other gods retain heaven due to Lord Vishnu's Vamana avatar.
Shayani Ekadashi is one of the holiest Ekadashis dedicated to Lord Vishnu. In Maharashtra, it is referred as Ashadh Shukla Paksh Ekadashi. This day is famous by many names like Dev Shayani or Hari Shayani Ekadashi, Padma Ekadashi and Ashadi Ekadashi. It is called Shayani Ekadashi because Lord Vishnu goes to sleep on this day and does not wake up before Prabodhini Ekadashi, which occurs after 4 months. There is a strong belief that along with Lord Vishnu, all the Hindu gods and goddesses are also at rest during this period and they shouldn't be disturbed. This holy period of 4 months is called Chaturmas, which is derived from the Sanskrit Chatur that stands for 4 and Mas meaning month. Which is why none of auspicious ceremonies and traditions are held during this period. It is considered highly auspicious for weddings and other celebration. However, Chaturmas is a suitable time for householders to revive dharma in their life. For Hindus, this period is reserved for penance, austerities, festivities, bathing in holy rivers, and religious observances. Devotees also consider resolving it by performing self-controlling activities like meditation, Maun Vrat, and Upvas.
So now we are going to tell the importance of Ekadashi. Chaturmas pictures of the month. Begins in the month of Ashur from the day of Ekadashi called Dhyana Ekadashi in the fortnight of the waxing moon. The beaded end in the month of Kartik on the Agadi. She didn't know that in the fortnight of the waxing moon. This poor man is known as Chaturmas. Somebody should have also observed it from the full moon day of Ashur until the full moon day of Kartik. That is also of 4 months. This, calculated by the lunar month, is called Chaturmas, but others also observed determine according to the solar month from travel to Kartik. The whole PDEWR takes place during the rainy season. Should be observed by all sections of the population. It does not matter whether one is the real purpose behind the wall taken during these 4 months is to minimize the quantity of Cincinnati application and engage senses in devotion activities. In the month of Shaban one should not eat spinach. In the month of May one should not eat yogurt. Yogurt fast is fasting from eating yogurt by itself. Yogurt be used as a binding agent for ghee is not imputed. In the month of Pashmina, one should not drink milk. Milk fat may refrain from drinking milk. Make sweet milk byproducts. Hello Kitty. In the 4th month one should not partake dicotyledon greens like gram to matun etc. Similarly, one should not eat fruits or vegetables containing a lot of this. Also applies as ordained. And who will join the 4-month period of determine one should practice giving up all food intended for sense enjoyment. That reason for making a list of prohibited items separately for each of the 4 months is in the nature of dietary discipline and declared as daily regimen. You can give your questions and which niyam you are taking in the link given in description box. Jai Swami Narayan.